Welcome to BassMan Strikes Kayak Fishing. Sit back and watch another episode as I explore and fish lakes and rivers in Wisconsin and the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, using various artificial baits and techniques. In this episode, I had traveled to the Upper Peninsula of Michigan to fish the Menominee River. The first spot I tried was about 4 miles below the first dam, and the current was brutal. I spent more time fighting the current than fishing, and I only caught one small hammer-handled pike. After a couple hours of trying to peddle upriver, I gave up and went to spot number 2, which had much better river conditions. Spot 2 was on the Flowage above the Chalk Hill Hydroelectric Dam, and was spectacular with steep drop-offs, many islands, and large weed flats. There was also massive amounts of laydowns around the islands, but on this day, the fish would all be caught in the weed flats. Keep watching to see spectacular fall colors, as well as a really nice smallmouth bass. Alright, so this is spot number 2, Chalk Hill Hydroelectric Project. I tried a spot further upriver, but the current was too brutal. So we're going to give this a shot. Looks a lot better. If you look behind me, the parking lot is full. And I bet last year at this time, on a nice day, that would not have been the case. This spot is in the boonies, and I guarantee before the pandemic, this lot would have been empty. There we go. Yeah! Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, sweet. Oh, look at that chunk. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that, folks. Now that is a nice smallie. Beautiful. "17 inches. 17-inch smallie. I ended up catching only one smallmouth, but did catch 3 smallish pike and missed one really big pike right next to the kayak. In hindsight, I should have came to spot 2 first. Oh well, sometimes it's about exploring new areas, not how many fish you catch. That's it for this episode, folks. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to BassMan Strikes for more fall fishing videos from the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. Thanks for watching BassMan Strikes Kayak Fishing. If you like this video, please click the subscribe and like buttons. If you would like to be notified of new content, click the bell button. If you have any questions about lures, equipment, etc., please leave a comment. Also, be sure to check out our Facebook page and join our group Black Bass Central. Links will be in the description. We'll see you next time.